What's up guys, it's Angel back with another video today. Today I'm going to be telling you guys about my 6 favorite apps to make and save money from. So I'm just going to hop right into the video. So the first app we're going to be talking about is going to be the Walmart app. That's one of my favorite apps. It is a must. So basically the way that I save money on the Walmart app is they have this feature that after you go shopping at Walmart, or you can actually also do it when you're there checking out, you scan your receipt and then it's going to check like a list of stores competitor prices. You still get the deal, so that's awesome. I've only had it for a few months like I've said, and I have saved a total of $35.45. So that's how much the app has given me back in like Walmart money basically. And the way that works is you scan the receipt and then it takes a couple days to check for all the latest deals and see if there's any like better deals than what you already bought it for. And then if there is, they'll put the money into your savings catcher account, and then once you want to use it, you just go to Walmart and you scan the little barcode at the checkout. So yeah, really simple, easy, very convenient. One is an app that everybody might already have or know about, but I had to include it because it's one of my favorites and it's one that I've made the most money on, and that is iBotta. The store that you're going to be shopping at, and you select the items that you're going to be buying, and then once you're finished you scan your receipt and the items that you bought will show up on there. Get $1 back for buying that item, 50 cents back for buying that item, and sometimes they'll give you cash back just for submitting a receipt. It used to be like 25 cents, but recently they lowered it to like 10 cents, maybe because the girl was using it too much, I don't know. Made $136.15 back in iBotta. So unlike Walmart, they actually give you cash. Technically, they can pay you through PayPal or they can pay you through Venmo, which is like PayPal. Everybody may also know about this one as well because of it kind of blew up on social media when they were having this like referral like bonus thing for signing up. So the third one is Dosh. Yes, Dosh. It's actually a really great app to earn cash back from when you're going shopping, whether it be at a restaurant or gas station. You can get money back on gas, like at certain qualifying gas stations that use Dosh. The thing with that is, for a while I was using it and I wasn't getting cash back, and I was like, do this thing not work or what? But I had to read the frequently asked questions, and actually sometimes you'll have to use your, even if it's a debit card, press credit card, that way they can track I guess where you actually bought it from. I don't fully understand it, but you have $123.54 cash back from Dosh. So sometimes they have special promotions where if you sign somebody up, you will get $10 cash back, but most of the time, which is like right now, if you refer somebody and sign them up, then you will get $5 cash back after they get their first cash back. So they don't have to spend like a certain amount of money, but they do have to actually get some cash back first before you both get that referral bonus of $5. But like I said, sometimes they do have specials where you would get $15 or $10 and you don't even have to get cash back first. You just have to link your debit card. So that's awesome. I don't know why I'm doing all this with my hands. Or is VERYDICE. I don't know if many people know about this app. It's possible. I learned about it through a couponing group that I am like joined in on Facebook. So basically VERYDICE is an app that you go into every day and you get to spin, you get like a free roll to roll some dice, and then there's numbers between like 1 and 10, like on a wheel or whatever, and whatever number you get for that day is how many times you can roll the dice in that day. I like to go on there every day and just, it's not hard, you just press spin now, and then the wheel comes up and it spins for you and tells you how much you won. Boom, that's it. And the rolls translate into tickets that you win depending like what the number came up on the dice is when you rolled it, and then yeah, however many tickets you get, then you can get a prize, which I believe all the prizes come from Amazon.com. I have won 2 prizes from there so far. I didn't win. You get to choose what you want. You get to choose what you want on there. So you go in there, maybe type in something, or it gives you recommendations of what they have in the category, of how many tickets you currently have, and I think it goes from like 1K to like, I don't know how high. It gets pretty expensive sometimes for things that aren't worth that much. Like diapers, you have to have like 175,000 or something. Like, it's kind of ridiculous for stuff like that. But hey, you're essentially gonna be getting those things for free. So there's that. So yeah, like I was saying, I've gotten 2 things from the app so far. I got some little makeup brushes, and then I got a Demon brush. That's where I got my Demon brush from. If you watch my curly hair videos, I actually got that for free through this app. Just going on there and rolling some dice every day. It takes like a minute. And the Demon brush also came with some little what are they called? Edge brushes, which I don't know where my Demon brush is right now off the top of my head, but I can see my edge brush, so I'm gonna go grab it and just show you guys that it's real. This is my edge brush. I actually got 2 of these, and it came with my Demon brush that I got through the VERYDICE app. If you watch my previous like curly hair related videos, I will link one over here. You can see the Demon brush that I got from the app, and I will also do a screen share so that you can see the rewards that I've won from this app. So yeah. They also just added this new thing where you can get gift cards on there, so that is so awesome. That's probably what I'm gonna get next. You know, your girl like the cash. It's basically cash. The 5th one is going to be the Fetch app. The Fetch app is my new favorite app, okay? It's my new favorite app for saving money, because you save money like anytime you go shopping with this app. Like, even if you just submit the receipt and there was no qualifying offers on there, they still give you a decent amount of points back just for submitting the receipt. As soon as you download that app for the first time and you submit receipts, like, they give you like 500 points or something for submitting the receipt. But the more receipts you submit, the lower it goes. I think that I get like 250 for submitting a receipt right now. But that's still really awesome, because you can cash out at 3,000 points. You can cash out as soon as 3,000 points on the app. So if you're submitting like a lot of receipts and you get 250 every time, and you can cash out as early as 3,000, even though it's only $3, it's something, you know. And I like it better than iBotta, because with iBotta you have to wait until you're at $20 before you can cash out. But, you know, like I said with Fetch, you only gotta get to $3 before you can get something, so that's cool. Even though they don't give you cash, they have so many different gift cards that you can cash out for. Walmart, Target, restaurants, fast food, all that good stuff. They do have an online gift card that you can get and just basically shop anywhere with it online. Running out of breath, I'm talking so fast, so much. That you can shop for online, so that's awesome. So it's pretty similar to the iBotta app. You scan the receipt, but another difference is you don't have to go and select all the things that you're gonna buy. Like, it will let you know what you can get cash back on. You don't have to do it before you go shopping or whatever. Okay guys, so I was trying to record that video yesterday, but the kids kept calling my name and whining and crying, and it was just a mess. So I'm coming back now, finishing the video. Nobody is here but me and my mom's in the living room. I've probably heard her coughing. Anyways, so we're gonna wrap this video up with the last app that is an app but also a website, and everybody has heard of it, but not everybody is using it, and that is eBay. eBay has been around for so long. Since I was a kid, I used to watch videos about people talking about selling on eBay, but I didn't think there was anything I could do, and it sounded complicated, and it was just too much at the time. But recently, the last few months, I have been selling on eBay, and eBay has an app that after you have made your store and listed things on there that you want to sell, the app is really convenient to use when you're on the go and check on your items and, you know, do all that good stuff. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it, but if you want to, you know, sell some old things around your house, go to the thrift store and find some things that could sell on eBay, like clothing, purses, jewelry, anything like that. They sell everything on eBay. So if you would like to drop ship on eBay, it's so easy. Anybody could do it. A lot of people do it, but I feel like it's not talked about like that much. It's something that everybody can do, but it's an amazingly super easy way for you to make some extra money. I have been doing it for the last few months, and I've made like over $1,000 on it so far, and I haven't had any real bad issues with it. Like, it's been pretty good and easy. So if you want to know how to do that, then I recorded an entire video devoted to how to dropship on eBay, and that's basically what I did to make my $1,000 so far, is just dropshipping on eBay. And that can essentially become, if you love it, a full-time job. It can become another stream of income, whatever you want it to be, a side hustle, anything. It's, girl, go get your stuff on eBay, but make sure you watch that video so you know exactly what to do and where to go and all that good stuff. So yeah, those are my 6 favorite apps that I have personally all used, and they've all made me money in some way, shape, or form. So if you want to download any of them, make sure that you check the description box, because I'm going to have my promo code, or not my promo code, my referral code for each one, and I'm going to let you know like how much you'll get for signing up with my promo code if you decide to download the app, and what all you need to do to get the referral money or points. So probably all the apps that I talked about today have a referral code except for eBay, you know, because it's also a website and it's eBay. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about this video. Did you enjoy it? What apps do you already have? Which ones are you downloading now because of me? What if you already did have them? Did I teach you something that you didn't already know, or you know, anything like that? Let me know in the description below. I need to get more consistent with posting on my YouTube channel. It is a work in progress. But if you want to keep up with me in my daily life, I am always posting on Instagram every single day, and always in my story all day long. So make sure you follow me on there. AMOMTREPRENEURSGUIDE, putting the name up here. And also follow me on Twitter at oohitsangel. These are both new accounts, just like my new channel. Just so I can start over and just rebrand myself, you know, basically. So make sure you guys follow me on both of those accounts. Let me know what else you want to see me do or talk about next. Personal development, how to start a business, how to make money from home, self-love, self-care, whatever it may be. Let me know below. Let me know below. And also make sure you're following me and my fiance Jelani on our couples channel. I think we're recording a video today. He just took Heaven to the park, so probably when he gets back we'll record a video. I'm gonna try and get him to record 2. We gonna see, y'all. We gonna see. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.